Today represents a day of significant hope for the people of the Middle East after the most horrific humanitarian catastrophe, a loss of life on a scale that's almost unimaginable. We finally see cause for hope. Hostages released, bombing stopped, aid beginning to flow into Gaza. And Ireland stands ready to do everything we can to help with the huge humanitarian effort which is now needed. There are people starving, and it is so important that we get them aid as a matter of urgency. So today I'm announcing an additional €6 million in funding for Gaza. This is funding that will be provided to a variety of multilateral organisations, including the World Health Organization, the World Food Programme and UNICEF. So this is a practical step we in Ireland can take today to help feed starving children, to help a country in an area stricken by famine, and to help get humanitarian assistance to those who need it absolutely urgently.